In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain from GoDaddy to Wix using the pointing method. Whether you're launching a new site or shifting your existing one, this essential skill will help you seamlessly integrate your web presence. Let's get started by first ensuring you're logged into your Wix account. Once there, the first thing you'll want to do is add your domain. You'll notice several options for connecting your domain, but for this tutorial, we will focus on the Connect by Pointing option. This is a great way to use your custom domain with Wix, while still managing your DNS through your current domain provider. Upon selecting this option, Wix will provide you with a set of DNS records. These usually include specific A records and CNAME records. Keep these handy as they are crucial for the next steps. Next, head over to your GoDaddy account. Log in and find your way to your domain's DNS settings. From here, it's important to carefully compare the DNS records Wix provided with the ones currently set in your GoDaddy account. You'll need to remove any existing A or CNAME records that correspond to the host names Wix requires, such as the @ symbol, which generally represents the root domain, and _ which represents the subdomain. This clears the path for you to add the new records Wix has given you. Now comes the part where you input the new data. Add the A and CNAME records into your DNS settings in GoDaddy exactly as Wix provided. Make sure there are no mistakes, as even small errors in entering these records can lead to connection issues or downtime for your site. Once you've entered everything correctly, save these changes to ensure they take effect. Now, you will need a bit of patience. DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the web, usually up to 48 hours. During this period, you might experience some temporary issues with accessing your site using the custom domain, but rest assured, this is normal. Just give it a bit of time. After the waiting period, head back to your Wix account. You're looking to verify that the domain is now correctly pointing to your Wix site. There should be a verification option in the Wix settings where you added the domain initially. Follow the prompts there to ensure everything is connected properly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully pointed your GoDaddy domain to your Wix site. This will allow you to manage and edit your website with Wix, while maintaining your GoDaddy domain management. Remember, keeping your DNS records accurate and up to date is crucial for the smooth operation of your website. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy website building.